Hey everyone, uh, another Sunday, another race number 2. Beautiful day for a race, no wind at all, 2-3 miles only, and birds were released at 8 a.m. It's around 9:36. That's the speed right now. So beautiful day, and today I start releasing some young ones, 2025s. I released 6, 4 still inside, and one right here, and the other one on the other side. Alright guys, so let's wait for the birds. I'm gonna let this one be around a little bit more, and then I will call them in, and after the race I'm gonna start releasing them. Alright guys, let's wait for birds. The Super Bowl before the game, right here before the race. My speed shows 1500s. Two guys already on Benzene Live. Club member Hugh Eckridge, the master, already clocked with the speed of 1525. He's 10 miles, around 7 miles less than me. So no birds here. So, and I got 5 young ones outside, so hopefully they don't mess with the racing team. So little update, my speed shows 1,250 yards, and I have no birds yet. Top speed is 1525. I'm in the long end right here on the combine in South Carolina, only like 7 miles more than most of them, and the top speed, like I said, is 1525. I have no birds yet, so that sucks. Today is supposed to be better day for me. No wind, probably 2-3 miles, pushing them a little bit this way, and see, well, the first two bus drivers came from northeast. Come on. So it sucks, guys, because you know what, some of the members of the club, they not even train. Only maybe they started training a couple weeks before the first race. Some of them nothing. They said, I just try to make them fly in the loft for 20 minutes. I don't have the time, and they doing better than me. So that sucks, pisses me off. All right guys, let's wait for more birds. So like I said, this kind of sucks. You're training really hard and no results. Obviously, loft location counts, wind, but I don't know. Like I said, today is supposed to be a good day for me, but nothing. See, I was expecting the birds coming this way. When I turn around, I see the dog looking something in the air and coming this way. This is northeast. Supposed to come in this way, and see, I got only 2. See, more birds coming. I didn't see these ones. Yeah, see, I was expecting this way and coming this way. 2 cocks now. Yeah, they coming all the way from North Carolina. Come on. Come on. Come on. 4 out of 24. See. So I'm gonna be waiting for them this way, I guess. Okay, guys, so I'm going to lunch. It's around noon already, and I need a michelada. All right, guys, see ya. Another one. Another male. This one came from other way. All right, guys, so there's two more. I'll end up this video, the arrivals right here with these two bus drivers, and I'm going lunch. Alright, guys, so back from lunch, I got 21 out of 24, and then I release another young ones. There's like a 4 or 5 and another 4 or 5 inside the loft. Alright, guys, so let's finish this video. So a little recap. I think I end up around between probably on the 200s place among probably 540 birds. Really bad. It sucks, but now I'm just kind relaxing here with these young ones that I start releasing them this morning. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, the next race, and another update about these young ones, and see if they settle down really good, or I kind of end up with big losses. But so far so good. All right, guys, thank you for watching.